Have you ever wondered what the future of manufacturing might look like? It's a compelling question, isn't it? As we stride deeper into the 21st century, technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, transforming many traditional sectors in its wake. One such sector is manufacturing. Now, we're not just talking about automation here. The real game changer is artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's more commonly known. Although AI has already woven its magic in various industries, its potential in manufacturing is just beginning to unfold. Imagine factories where machines learn from their mistakes, optimize processes, and increase efficiency all on their own. Picture assembly lines where AI-powered robots assemble complex electronics with precision and speed that surpass human capabilities. Envision a world where AI doesn't just assist humans but leads the way in creating smarter, faster, and more efficient manufacturing processes. The question is not if AI will revolutionize manufacturing, but how and when. To understand the transformative power of AI in manufacturing, let's examine a real-world case study. Meet XYZ Corp, a leading electronics manufacturer that has embraced the future by integrating AI into their production line. At the heart of XYZ Corp's operations, AI is utilized in a myriad of ways. It's like the invisible hand, guiding and optimizing every step of the manufacturing process. One of the key areas where AI has proven invaluable is in predicting machine malfunctions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, the AI system can spot patterns and anomalies that human eyes might miss, alerting the team to potential issues before they become costly breakdowns. Beyond predictive maintenance, AI also plays a critical role in enhancing quality control at XYZ Corp. The AI system quickly and accurately inspects each product, identifying even the smallest imperfections that could affect performance. This allows XYZ Corp to maintain a high level of product quality, ensuring customer satisfaction and building a strong brand reputation. But the benefits of AI don't stop at quality control. It also boosts efficiency.